All right, so I've got my new coil printing out. So Sky Collection Jorge was correct. This is not the right size for the type of coil. And he's also correct in saying that I should make all my larger coils like this bifilar coils because I can always jump them to turn them into a single coil if I want. So I'm going to take his advice. I'm going to make them all bifilar. I have 23 gauge wire, and so I ordered 25 gauge as the second because I can't find 21 gauge. And I didn't want to go to 20 gauge. So I'm going in the opposite direction, which I think will be all right. This is the new coil top. I should have made this longer. So I ordered some acrylic. Unfortunately, I don't have access to a laser cutter, so I'm going to have to cut it by hand. I also printed out a new rotor, and this one's really nice and balanced. But what I have to do is I have to now figure out how to transpose these screw holes into this so that I can pop it down there, screw it on there, and then these guys, of course, will go here like this, actually up like this, and then the other one will go down like this. You get the picture. And then the cylinder magnet, these guys will go in there, but without the housing. So yeah, I may still wrap this coil as a single coil. I've got some extra wire, and I've been hung up on the size being thinner than thicker when Sky Collection basically said use thicker wire, and he's right. Now that I think about it, it makes more sense. I'll get more current that way. I won't have to wrap as much to get the correct ohms. So yeah, I'm waiting now on the, oh shoot, I think I stopped recording. All right, I thought I had stopped recording. The little red light on the panel's not going off. Let me stop this and see what's happening. All right, I guess I didn't stop recording. The reason why I couldn't see, oh, there it goes. The reason why I couldn't see the record button is because I had this in the viewfinder, and the little red record button that lets me know I'm recording obviously is the same color as this. If I take it away, there it is. Anyway, yeah, so I printed this new guy out. I'm waiting to get the other end of the coil to see if it's going to be okay. The bottom side, I got to see if this guy sits on there flat, because if it does, I can just use it. No, it doesn't. Anyway, transposing the screw holes on there is not going to be that difficult. But yeah, these guys are probably good for a single coil wire, but I'm not going to use this. I'm going to bite the bullet, and I ordered, like I said just a few minutes ago, some acrylic. I ordered 1/4 inch, which I think will be good. I think I also ordered some 1/8 inch too, just to see. Anyway, I'm going to try to get this thing built today. I need to I need to print out a bunch of spacers for this because I want this to sit flush with the top, and it's not. So I'm printing, I can print out some spacers that are like 1 millimeter thick, 1.5, and it should be good to go. All right. What else? I'm still going to use this to make my star coil. And again, I'm going to use thicker wire. I'm going to use at minimum 23, maybe 24 gauge, because I have some 24 gauge, but I think I'd rather use the 23 that I ordered. And I got a nice 5-pound spool. And like I said, I ordered a 25 gauge pound spool so that I can wind these coils as bifilar. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm not going to do this. That's all going in the garbage. Well, it's not going to go in the garbage. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but forget that. Forget it, forget it, forget it, forget it. Yeah, let me get to working. I've got some brass screws that are the right size. I couldn't find any brass nylocks. I don't even think they make them. Maybe they do, but I think it'll be all right because it's going to be on the bottom. I don't know if it's going to make a difference, but we'll find out. Ciao. Yeah, I wanted to share one more other thing. So the barrel magnets that I have these holes in them, and I didn't have enough to do 6 around here. So I ordered 2 more magnets. Where are they? Oh, these are strong too. Holy mackerel. I ordered 2 more, but these don't have the holes in them. So what I'm going to have to do is I got these guys, which are really strong, but they don't have the holes in them. So the weight is going to be different. So what I need to do is weigh those guys one at a time, and then weigh this guy, and then I'll add like metal rods inside here or something to equalize the weight so that they're pretty much the same weight. Because I don't want to get into that unbalanced thing where, I mean, I could put the 2 heavier ones out here on either side, which would balance it out, but I'd rather do it so that all of the magnets weigh pretty much the same. Yeah, that came out nice. So yeah, let me get cracking on this. Ciao.